Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on your videos or audio clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and by the way, shout out to Camila, IP and Edits for this video right here that I'll be using. I just got this from their channel, so yeah, just props to them. So first, let's just lower the volume for this one. So to lower the volume for this one, because I think this is too loud, is you want to go here and do the effect controls right here, and you can go and reduce the volume right here or the decibels. And what I suggest is you turn off the toggle animation right here so that it won't change from time to time on the value. It would be just as the value you have set right here. So for example, I would set this into -8. Right, that so it would be minus 8 decibels, so it would be much lower in volume. So if you want to animate the volume, like you want it to go from lower to higher, then you can just do it right here on levels, and then as you go here, then you can add a keyframe so that it would be now at 0, so it would be increasing and it would be like a fade in. As you can see in the graph right here, you can already see it right here.
Don't need nobody else.
And yeah, as you can hear, if you listen to it, the music is gradually increasing in volume. Or you can just do it right here. If you don't want to put the values manually, then you can just do the graph right here. You can put it right this one. As you can see the decibels, right? It's minus 21 decibels and so on. You can just drag this right here. And if you don't know how to make your audio clips larger, then you can just press the Alt button on your keyboard and the plus button on your keyboard, and you can expand it, or you can also minimize it if you tap or press the minus button on your keyboard, just like so, and you can adjust it however you want. So in this case, I'll be using this. So at first, I'll be removing the points right there. So for example, you have this is a background music and you have a dialogue coming up, and you want to lower the music when someone is speaking. In that way, the dialogue would be heard and the music is not bothering so much. And if no one is speaking, you want to turn up the music. So how do we do that here? So we can do that here by graphing our audio. So from here, let's say that at first there is no one talking, so we would be putting a point. So you need to press the P letter on your keyboard so that you would have this pen tool right here, and you want to go and point right here. So let's say at around this point someone is speaking, so we want to lower the volume of the background music at this point, because someone will start speaking. And then I want to add 2 points right here, and yeah, 2 points right there. So the reason for the 2 points is that so that there will be a nice transition right here. So when I lower this right here and I lower the volume, whether there is a curve right here so that it would not be so abrupt when the music is, or the background music is gradually or suddenly drops in volume, so it won't be noticeable and it would be smooth. Because if you don't add it, then let's say it's like this, as you can see right here, you won't be able to make the transition right here because everything goes down. So you would need to put 2 dots right there and right there, and you can do it like this. And let's say someone is already done speaking and we want to turn up the music so that there will be no dead air, then you can go and point again and 2 again, and then you can turn up the music, but at this point, because no one is talking at this point right there, and you can have this right here. So if you listen to it right there, see, did you notice the change right there? It follows the graph right here. The volume of the music would follow the graph right here depending on how you want it. And yeah, that is basically how you can adjust the volume in your audio clips in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching.